Everyone, Tim Brown. Welcome back to my Apple Podcast. So for this episode, I want to offer another practical solution. This time, how to download videos from the web. I have three options for you. I'm using my MacBook Pro to do this. The first option is Itube Studio. Itube Studio is an application that basically enables you to capture video by pasting a URL from your clipboard to a video or music file. You can do a screen capture, or you can use a plugin to just capture video from approved sites that work with this particular application. So let me just show you how it works. So you're looking at the interface here. As I mentioned, you can paste the URL, download MP3, record your screen. You even have an option on the right hand side here to convert any video file that you download to a specific format, which is really nice. I'm going to go ahead and go to a web browser here. So I'm going to swipe to the right, and you can see here I have Vimeo set up on my computer. And I'm going to proceed to download this video. Now when you're using Itube Studio, you'll see a little plugin right above the video where it says download here. If you click on download, it will automatically download that video to Itube Studio. So I just clicked on that. And as you can see, it is now processing that video and downloading it right to my computer, right inside Itube library. I'm going to go ahead and pause that. Of course, you can keep these videos in your library as I've done here, or you can just delete them. So that's one way you can do it. You can also, I'm going to swipe to the left here, and now I have, this is Chrome, and I have YouTube set up. This is actually one of my videos. And as you can see, the download tab has been placed right above that video as well. When I run my cursor over it and I select, you can see in YouTube, you actually have multiple options for downloading videos. So I can download the highest resolution 1080p, or I can go all the way down to 240p, and I even have the option to download the video as an MP3 file, that is, as an audio file. So that's a really nice option to have. Let's go ahead and choose the MP3 version. Click OK, and as you can see that now, instead of downloading a video, Itube Studio is downloading an MP3 version of that video, which I'm now going to be able to get from my download folder, which is really nice. So Itube Studio really is a nice option, and let's explore some other options. So I'm going to go ahead and move over to another application that's called MovieSherlock. This is a trial version actually, and I've only used it a few times, but I really like how it works. Check this out. So you can go ahead and actually type in a keyword right inside the app. Let's just say I wanted to download some videos of Steve Jobs. So I'm going to go ahead and type Steve Jobs' name right in the search window here and then press return. And you can see here it generates a list of videos featuring Steve Jobs across the web. And I can choose any one of these videos. And once I find the one I like, I can just click the download button, and it'll start downloading that video right to my library. You can click pause if you want to stop the download. So this is really cool. Another option as well is just simply pasting the URL right into the space as well, instead of using a keyword. So if I was to go back to YouTube and grab the URL of my video here, and then go back to MovieSherlock and paste in the URL, I can also download the video that way. So as you can see, it pulls up my specific video, and now you can start downloading right away. So this is a very convenient option, and it also stores all those videos in the library as well, the same way it does with Itube Studio. These are two very nice options to have, and they both work well with browsers in terms of the third-party plugins that make it a little easier when you're right in the browser as you're watching a video. Another way to do this is just by using a Firefox browser. Firefox actually is the best browser for downloading videos, and you need to first download the download helper extension in order to download the video. So you go to add-ons, and then you can go ahead and just search for extensions and look for video download helper. Once you find it, download it to the browser, restart it, and then you'll have this feature at your disposal. So I have it already installed in my browser, so I'm going to go ahead now and select this drop down arrow button next to the arrow, and you can see I have several different options for different resolution sizes that I can download in conjunction with this John Allen video. If I check the 720p video, I just go ahead and select it, and automatically it prompts up a window that is going to now send this video to my downloads folder. And you can see the progress bar up here. As soon as this is complete, you have your video, and it's really that simple. So those are 3 different options for downloading videos from the web. I would encourage you to try all of them and find which one works best for you. I actually like all of them. They all come in handy for different purposes, and I have no problem downloading video at any time. My name is Tim Brown. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of my Apple Podcast. Check me out next time.